everything. This one's for you. No fake hype, just truth. Let it sink deep. Sometimes Allah breaks your heart to save your soul. Pain is not your punishment, it's your awakening. Your scars are not shameful, they're proof that you survived. You can cry and still move forward. Healing isn't linear. Don't just cope, grow, don't just survive, transform. What is written for you will find you, even if it's buried under a mountain. Dunya will betray you, Allah never will. If Allah brings you to it, He will bring you through it. Tawakkul isn't sitting back, it's walking forward while trusting the outcome. A delay is not a denial, it's divine alignment. You don't need motivation, you need discipline. Every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. The version of you you're dreaming of is built in silence. You don't rise by avoiding failure, you rise by failing with purpose. Stop seeking approval, start seeking progress. Your mind can be your prison or your palace. You can't control the storm, but you can train your boat. Silence doesn't mean weakness, it means power under control. Every no you've heard was making room for the right. Yes, you are not behind. Allah's timing is always precise. Being alone doesn't mean you're unloved, it means you're being prepared. The strongest people are those who kept building when no one clapped. Don't fear being alone, fear becoming like everyone else. Sometimes all elation is elevation in disguise. Nobody's coming to save you, save yourself. Success isn't built on talent, it's built on grit. Wake up early, stack skills, save smart. The job won't change your life, your work ethic will. Halal income is more than provision, it's protection. Be careful who claps when you win. Some people cheer just to stay close. Loyalty is rare, don't expect it from everyone. Trust is like glass, once broken it cuts deeper. Not everyone who left was meant to stay. Better to walk alone than with fake friends. Real love pushes you toward Allah, not away. Don't chase hearts that run from your value. A partner should bring peace, not pain. Sometimes Allah removes someone so you can return to Him. Being single and stable is better than taken and drained. You're not lazy, you're undisciplined, and that can change. Don't wait to feel ready, show up unprepared and still act. Small habits shape big legacy. Ramadan isn't a reset, it's a reminder of who you can be. You can't